Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PNC Bank app for account security detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with the PNC Bank app, first, ensure you have downloaded the latest version of the app from your device's app store. Open the PNC Bank app on your device. On the welcome screen, click on Sign On to access your account. Enter your PNC online banking user ID in the specified field. Next, input your password accurately. If you have enabled biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, you may be prompted to use it for quicker access. After entering your credentials, click on Sign On to proceed. If you're signing in from a new device or location, you might undergo additional verification for security purposes. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may include answering security questions or receiving a one-time passcode via text or email. Once verified, you will gain access to your account dashboard. In the account dashboard, navigate to the security settings to enhance your authentication methods. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. To do this, find the option for Security Preferences or Account Security. Select Enable Two-Factor Authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. You may choose how you would like to receive the verification codes, either via SMS or email. Save your changes and confirm the new settings. You're now authenticated securely with the PNC Bank app. Whenever you log in, ensure your internet connection is secure, and avoid using public Wi-Fi for transactions. Make it a habit to log out of your account after each session to further protect your information. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity or unauthorized transactions. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, consult the app's help section or contact PNC Bank's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.